Hosting Thanksgiving is a dozen lists pretending to be one dinner. Who's coming? Who's bringing what the turkey costs, and whether 3 casseroles can share one oven. This is the Thanksgiving Hosting and Budget Planner. 11 connected tabs that count the plates, claim the dishes, price the groceries, and catch the oven pile up in July instead of at 3 o'clock on the day. You bring the gratitude. It brings the math. So meet Dana, the sample host who ships inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. Dana is hosting 14 people 125 days from the planning date on a $520 budget. Every number in this video comes from Dana's real, recalculated workbook. And one rule runs the whole thing. You only ever type in the blue cells. Everything else, head counts, envelopes, flags, countdowns, fills itself in. It starts on the guest list. 1 row per household, party size, RSVP, dietary flags, and whether they're staying over. Dana invited 6 households, 14 plates in all. The moment an RSVP flips to yes, those plates land in the confirmed count, 12 so far, with 2 still maybe. And the diet column travels with them. 2 vegetarians and 1 gluten-free guest, counted once here, read everywhere else. The menu and potluck board lists all 14 dishes. Dana cooks 8, guests bring 5, and the apple pie has nobody's name on it yet. So the sheet flags it, in plain words, unassigned. No mystery icons. It also reads the guest list and checks coverage. 10 veg-friendly dishes for the 2 vegetarians, 7 gluten-free options for Aunt Carol. 1 text to the group chat, someone claims the pie, and the flag clears itself. Here's the moment this file is built around. On the cooking timeline, every dish gets a time slot and an appliance, and the sheet counts oven dishes in each slot against the ovens you actually own. Dana owns 1, and the stuffing, the sweet potatoes, and the green beans were all typed into 3 o'clock. 3 dishes, 1 oven. Each row flags conflict. In words, the moment it happens. The fix takes a minute. Stuffing bakes at 1, while the turkey rests. Sweet potatoes keep 3. Green beans reheat at 4:30. Retype the times, and every flag clears. That collision got solved in July, not at 3 p.m. on Thanksgiving Day. The grocery list prices the trip before the store does. Every item carries an estimate, and, once it's bought, the receipt. Dana's whole list estimates at $238.40 against a $260 groceries envelope, with the run split by store, Costco, Kroger, and the local market. And it's honest. The turkey came in $7.98 over its estimate, and the diff column said so before the envelope had to. Every receipt lands on 1 spending log, and the 6 envelopes read it live. $341.22 spent so far, $178.78 still unspent, with each envelope showing over, close, or on track. And because half of us host twice in November, Friendsgiving gets its own tab. 9 friends, $145 budget. That never touches the big days math. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 491 formulas. Before anything you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 errors, and passed 35 out of 35 independent math checks, including a pass with every input cleared. Every screen in this video is that real file, and it works the same in Excel and in free Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Tonight, type your guest list into the blue cells. It takes about 10 minutes. By the weekend, the menu has names on it, the groceries have a number, and your oven has a seating chart. The Thanksgiving Hosting and Budget Planner is $16.97, one time, with 4 editions and free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. Gratitude is free. Go set the table.